What is this beautiful, magnificent place? You know how to skip rocks? Yeah, skipping rocks. I want to go down to the river, but it's so far down. Like, how do we? Well, that was good. Oh, on the other side of the river. Why is there a fucking cliff everywhere? How do you? There's no way to get to the river, is there? But that shit's fucking 20 degrees, bro. That water, fucking maybe 10. All right. Explain away.
We want to go there. This way.
Up there?
Yeah.
The top one?
The top one.
Oh boy. That's a big climb right there. No problem. No, it's alright.
You want help?
No, it's alright. I'm a little bit nauseous, so I'll eat later. I have the rice in my pocket.
Good.
I mean, true, I don't even need a guide, bro. Bro, the guides are just make sure, in case I pass out and die, then of course you can help me out.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? They wouldn't let me do it without a guide. Well, I guess apparently you can, though. Google says you can't, but I guess some people were doing it alone, so I think you can. Whatever, it doesn't matter. This guy's awesome. So, what's up?
I explain to you this place, about this place. Oh. Woo, you ready? Let's go. Okay, so.
See, Bella Box is good.
Okay, this place name is Dovan.
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 Dovan. Dovan. Dovan. Dovan. So why is it the Dovan? Do you know, yeah? Two bricks. No.
Deepak.
No.
I think you're forgetting something.
And then two rivers.
I think you're forgetting something.
You can see that left river. That is from the water seabed.
I think you're forgetting something.
And that right.
Think long and hard.
From the
Think long and hard.
From the Everest base camp and also Jaleb. Yeah. From Crystal. And left side is
Really? Are you fucking with me?
What I forget.
You're only going to go in. Left to right.
You just left the wrapper on the floor.
And
Is that how they just? I mean, I've seen India, so I mean, I know how they do it over there. But this is a beautiful, magnificent place. And there's a trash can right there.
Listen me.
Hello.
Listen me.
Yeah, okay.
Two bridge.
To bridge.
That bridge is the Hillary Bridge.
Hilarious.
Hillary Bridge.
Hillary.
Do you know the Hillary?
Yeah.
Hillary Clinton.
Hillary
What?
is the first Everest climber, Edmund Hillary.
Hillary?
Edmund Hillary.
Okay,
Do you know he's from the New Zealand. First Everest climber, Hillary, and then the GreekGodX. So, 1953, May 29. So why Everest Day is which day? That is May 29 Everest Day. Okay? So that day is summit success.
He climbed Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
Did he make?
So that is,
Did he make this road?
No.
Did he map it?
Name.
No, I know, but did he map this road? The path we're taking?
You told me first, I'm going to tell you first.
Explain after this.
So,
Oh yeah.
that one is Hillary Bridge.
Okay.
Why say the Hillary Bridge?
Why? First
You know, I don't know.
So yeah, listen me.
Just listening.
If you want to, that no means. Hillary climbing Everest that time is not like same like this bridge. Okay, you know. So that time is down crossing a wood bridge. You know, every year it changes.
Every year.
June, July is monsoon season.
Every year change the bridge.
Listen, yeah. Not in that one, down. wood bridge.
I don't know.
Monsoon season.
What the hell are you
July,
saying?
Coming. Then. Again, October, November, again the wood bridge. So Hillary thinks make the iron bridge, and Hillary give the donation.
Oh, did I get it on you? I'm sorry.
Hillary give the donation.
What donation?
Donation is money. Donation, yeah. Give the Hillary the
Sorry.
donation. Then make
She alive?
He's how many years ago that? 4, 5 years ago. Good shot. Then give the donation. Make the iron bridge. So that means that is Hillary bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God, sorry. Sneezing.
Down one.
Okay, good. Let's go.
And up one is.
It's okay, listen.
Yeah.
No, keep going.
But we can see after documentary.
Documentary.
Can see the dead
Now
bridge also.
training is coming.
Rain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Very good.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is not good, bro. Sneezing. We gotta get to the village ASAP.
Hey, we protect our deer.
Yeah, he has the water. Do you have the waterproof thing? Can I?
Doing it now?
Yeah, it was. I think it's gonna rain. I feel a couple drops. Man, I'd hate to be the Sherpa who carries this trash down. It probably smells real bad. You carry it down. Yeah.
No.
Is that? Do you have that waterproof container for the camera?
Oh, that bag is well, but I can ship.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna just in the backpack maybe or something. Got it. Ew. Got it. That motherfucker was tickling the inside of my nose for a minute there. Fucking annoying me. Make me sneeze and shit. All right, up the fucking gates of hell. Here we go. Let's take it slow this time. Absolute Chad.
What?
I said you're a Chad.
You just started?
Yes.
What are you doing every base camp or free pass?
Base camp.
Nice.
I'm gonna die.
Good luck.
Thank you. Oh fuck, almost fell on the rock.